Well, this, of course, is having an impact on Wall Street right now, where stocks pulled back after Trump's announcement. But the S&P 500, take a look at these numbers. That index still managed to notch an all-time new high there. And let's take a look at our interactive heat map brought to you by FinViz. Kind of a mixed day today. Spots of green and red as investors digest these brand new trade tensions. So let's bring in CBS News business contributor J.D. Durkin, who is live from the New York Stock Exchange. J.D., thanks for being with us. What's the investor sentiment following this latest trade conflict with Canada?
Yeah, I mean, Liz, we were talking yesterday. We've said so many days about the short-term memory that investors like to have, how the market just finds that silver lining and is pretty quick to put bad or negative news to the side. And I'd argue we had that even in just the last few hours. Like Willie was just saying there, it was interesting. We got that post from the president on Truth Social at 1:44 p.m. And looking here at the big board at the New York Stock Exchange, we immediately saw stocks sell. We were well into positive territory. We actually hit negative territory for about 25 minutes or so. And then we very quickly rebounded as investors were very quick to find that silver lining. But there is a really crucial two-way energy transfer partnership between Canada and the United States. So no big surprise to me. We had that immediate knee-jerk reaction. But ultimately, as has been the case when the president says one thing, I think the market so far this year has realized that things very quickly change. And at any given moment, we're just one additional Truth Social post away from completely shifting the narrative here. And like you pointed out, today is one for the history books. The previous all-time high close for the S&P 500, February 19th of 61.44 and change. Today's 61.73, an all-time high for the market despite this remarkable backdrop of uncertainty, geopolitical conflict, and a lot of head scratching over what the tariff and trade policy out of the Trump White House is going to look like next.
Yeah, it's amazing to see those numbers, though, J.D. I want to talk to you about this new data sending us some clues, though, on how Americans are really feeling about the economy. What's behind those numbers?
Yeah, exactly. We'll start with a look at PCE inflation data today. Now, we usually have with things like CPI and PPI, those are all well and good, but this is really the big one, and that's because it's the best look broad range at how expensive goods and services across the U.S. economy has gotten. Jerome Powell, chairman of the central bank, he's been very quick to say not just PCE, but specifically what's called core PCE. It strips away really volatile elements from inflation gauges like food and energy. This is the magic number that the Fed wants to see get closer to 2%. Unfortunately, this morning, right at 8:30 a.m., we actually saw last month's number was at 2.5%. We were hoping for it to get a little closer to 2. Instead, Liz, it went the wrong way. It went from 2.5 up to 2.7%. So we were expecting some pre-market jitters, but once again, investors found the silver lining. They quickly put that bit of information behind them. And we also got the final reading out of the University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Survey. We talked about this here yesterday on the CBS stream, this divergence between the hard labor data and the sentiment survey, asking business owners, asking individual Americans, how do you feel about the economy and where do you think your personal financial situation is expected to go in the next 6 to 12 months? That's a little more sour than it has been historically, although it is worth noting, at least for the month of May, a significant bump from where we've been trading at since the start of the year, but we're still well below where we were after that first election bump in December. So all this to say, the hard data is painting one picture. Still seems as if, despite the all-time highs in the stock market, there's still a fair bit of uncertainty that business owners, corporations, and individual Americans are feeling as part of the day-to-day American economy.
J.D. Durkin, thanks so much.